Alright, just checking in real quick. It's the morning time. My phone battery is down to like 2%. Just want to do a quick little snippet. I do have the drone that I'll be using on the way down, but this is the last audio. And this is our campsite in the morning. Beautiful. Sun's coming up over the mountains. There's my buddy. He went over the stream to get some water. Over here is the other mountain across Owens Valley. Sun's coming up. It's not too cold. I think it was let's see. Got down to 25 last night. It's 35 right now. Got down to 26 last night. So a little cold, but we did all right. My gear checked out all right for 26 degrees. Look at that. Mountain range. Amazing morning. I'm gonna try to save a little bit more phone battery. Just want to show you what we're up to. Had some coffee, some breakfast, about to pack up and try to fish one more time on the way out, and then we'll stop down by the other mining cap really quick just so I can get a little bit of video. All right. All right, we're making our way down the hill, down the mountain. We are on the kind of last part of the bottom trail. This is our view. This is our view going forward. Beautiful, right? Man, this has been a great trip. I got one more night of camping too, so I'm pretty excited. I caught a fish. Had a hike. I almost thought I was gonna have a heart attack, but it was fucking awesome. This is a good trip, good trail. Very worth it. Gotta figure out the next one now. All right, my battery's gonna die. I'm trying to save it. Just want to check in with you real quick. Almost down the mountain, a little ways to go. The truck is on the other side of part of the mountain, so bye bye. Checking in here. We made it back to the truck. We're loading up the truck right now. We just came down this trail. I don't know if you see the zigzag up around the mountain, or this part of the little hill of the mountain. Back up in there. That's where we were at. Now we're back at the truck. Important trail. We're gonna go back, clean up, go to the campground. It's gonna drop me off. Just to make this the end of the video, just want to show you where we're at. This is beautiful. Everything I've seen so far is beautiful. Look at that. Anyway, thanks for joining me on another video. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.